Okay, let's begin with numerical number 30.7, that is solved numerical. A 60-watt filament lamp loses all its energy. That filament of the lamp loses its energy by radiations from its surface. Okay, so the amount of heat radiated is 60 watts. So you'll be representing it in this format, that is dq upon dt. Whenever there is loss of energy or gain of energy, it will be with respect to time. So dq upon dt is 60 watt, which is equal to joule per second, 60 joule per second. The emissivity of the surface is 0.5, that is E is given to us 0.5. The area of the surface of the filament is 5 into 10 raised to minus 5. Yeah, we have written that. Find the temperature of the filament, T is required, and Stephen's constant is given to us. So what is asked over here? The temperature at which the filament loses all its energy. So here it is not a black body, so the emissive power of the ordinary body is given by E sigma T raised to 4, and this emissive power is nothing but amount of heat radiated per unit time per unit area. Okay, so we have here the rate of amount of heat radiated, so it is dq upon dt. Here we have, so here I have written it as dq upon dt A as it is, which is equal to the right hand side. This formula is derived in Stephen-Boltzmann's law. Then if you go through that law, you'll understand how this equation is derived over there. Now dq upon dt A, we need to find the temperature. So let T be on the right hand side. The other terms will come in the denominator over left hand side. So I have taken these two terms in the denominator. After that we come to the substitution part. dq upon dt is what? 60. Then A substitution is done, E 0.5, and sigma, that is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8. Here it is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8. I have substituted, is equal to T raised to 4. Now 5 ones are 5, 1 remains. Here 1 remains, so 5 twos are 10. Then there is nothing in the numerator, we have 12 in the numerator. So I'll be writing that 12. Okay, wait, I'll show you. It is 12 in the numerator, 12 in the numerator upon 10 raised to minus 5, 10 raised to minus 8 gives me 10 raised to minus 13 into 0.5 into 5.67. 0.5 into 5.67 is equal to T raised to 4. Now I'll be multiplying 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 4. Let's see what I get. See, after multiplying 5.67 into 0.5, I am getting 2.835. So it will be 12 upon 10 raised to minus 13. Let it be written as 10 in the numerator. It will be positive, and 0.5 into 5.67 gave me 2.835. You can multiply and check whether I have multiplied it right or not. Now this T raised to 4, if I am taking towards left hand side, it will become 4th root of 12 into 10 raised to 13 upon 2.835 is equal to T. Now this can be written as 12 into 10 raised to 13 upon 2.835, 1 upon 4 is equal to T. 4th root can be written as 1 upon 4. If it is cube root, it can be written as 1 upon 3. Now I will be applying log. If I apply log on left hand side, it becomes 12 into 10 raised to 13 upon 2.835, 1 upon 4, and similarly I will be applying log on right hand side. So this becomes, since it is raised to, so it will come behind the log and we'll open the log. Log of 12 plus log of 10 raised to 13 upon, that is minus, instead of writing in denominator, since it is in division format, it will become minus log of 2.835. This is equal to log of t. I hope you understood till here. Then 1/4 log of 12, 2 digits, so 2 minus 1, 1 point. If you see log of 12, it is 0.0792. 12 log 12 देखेंगे, 12 का 0 तो मिलेगा 0.792 plus, since it is in power, so it will come behind log 13, and then we'll see log of 10. Log of 10 is nothing but 1.0000. कैसे मिला ये? 10 2 digits है, तो 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 point. 10 का 0 देखेंगे तो 0.0000 है. Okay, then minus, we have just one digit. One digit means 1 minus 1 0. 0.28 का 3 का 5 चेक करेंगे तो हमको मिलेगा 4526, and which is equal to log of t. Then what I'll be doing of this is I'll be adding this to, it is 1.0792, 1/4 1.0792 plus 1.0792 plus 13 into 1.0000 is 13. 13 ones is 13.000. Then minus 0.4526 minus 0.4526 is equal to log of t. Then I'll be adding this 2 and subtracting with 0.4526. So let's add 1.0792 and 13.0000. This gives me 297,041, and here point. Then I'll be subtracting 0.4526. So this becomes 8. 12 minus 6 is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 5 is 2. This becomes 3. 10 minus 4 is 6, and here it is 13. So the digit which I obtain is 1/4, and calculating this gives me 13.6266 equal to log of t. Let's divide. 4 3s are 12. 0.1, 4 4s are 16. 2 is smaller than 4, so 0s are 0. This becomes 26. 4 6 are 24, again 26. 4 6 are 24. So the number obtained is 3.4066 is equal to log of t. Now I'll be taking this log towards left hand side, so it becomes anti-log of this digit, that is 3.4066 is equal to t. Now how you will be finding anti-log? 4066. Let me see. 4040, and this is 6, and this is 6, that is 2547. Sorry, 2547 plus 4, that is 2551. So it is 2551. Point into, point will be always after one digit, and since it is 3, so 10 raised to 3 is equal to t. You'll shift the digits point for 3 digits, since it is 10 raised to 3, so it becomes 2551 Kelvin is the temperature. Here it is obtained.